Oh, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mark Smith coming to you live from sunny Southern California. I haven't done a video in, wow, a long time. But I just want to talk to you about a new business that I've discovered. It's free to join. You can get paid actually as a free member. And I got my first check today from this business. So I'm going to try to cover up these account numbers. But here it is, okay? As a free member, I brought somebody in who paid, and I got a $25 commission as a free member. Now, that's not a lot of money, but the whole idea is to upgrade within the company. That way you get more of the commissions as people come in. But as a free member, you still get paid. The difference rolls up to your sponsor. So it's always in your best interest to upgrade as soon as possible, and I plan to do that real soon. This business is really exciting. It's a guy, the owner, Martin Ruiz, is a very transparent, open guy. You call him, he will answer the phone. He will answer any question that you have. There are over 60,000 people in this business already. That's just here in the United States, and it really hasn't blown up yet. I mean, a lot of people still don't know about it. But it's one of the best opportunities I've seen in my 2+ years online. And I'm really excited about it. My first payment, here's evidence of it. Let me cover up that account number again because I don't want to get in trouble. Okay. Just want to encourage you to join me. I'm going to put the link to my website below. Also, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to put this on YouTube. And friend me on Facebook. Okay, send me a friend request. And what I'll do is I'll plug you into our Facebook group. Very active group, very supportive group. Any questions that you may have, you will get them answered. Okay? But again, my first payment, I look forward to many other payments coming. Best Easy Work. Best Easy Work is the name of the business. It's a great business. Also, they have on Wednesday nights a seminar, a live webinar every Wednesday night to answer any questions, to present proof. You'll see people who are participating. You'll see what they're doing, how they're growing their businesses and all that. And I'll try to put that information at the bottom if I can, because you have to actually register for that. But go to my website, friend me on Facebook. I'm going to put my link to Facebook. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to start doing more videos, more proof videos like this as more and more commissions come in. Anyway, you guys have an awesome day. Don't forget, Best Easy Work, a great opportunity. And I see you guys in the next video. All right? Later.